I'm going to show you the installation of the drawer slides. First off, I've already got one mounted on this side here as a reference. You're going to want to make sure that the front of the slide is 3/4 of an inch from this front edge of the drawer. This is the outer drawer. We're going to use a 1/8 inch hex T-handle and 1032 at 3/4 stainless steel button heads. And we'll start the installation. Slide it all the way out, get to your access holes. Here we're going to install the inner drawer into the outer drawer with the slide. You're going to want the slide all the way to the front or the back of the face. We're going to use the same 1032 by 3/4 stainless steel button heads along with the 1/8 inch hex T-handle. We're going to go ahead and install that.